Full toss, gets the treatment, 6. Third of the innings for Afridi.
Well, Afridi's on fire. On the leg stump, he was already targeting that area. This was an absolute, but it can slip from the hand.
He goes again. Another one. What a welcome to the crease for Aneel Kumble. 2 balls, 2 sixes. Afridi has moved on to 33 and 4 sixes in this innings. What a strike again.
But now they've redressed that problem, or addressed it, I beg your pardon. They have a deep mid-wicket in place now. The long off has come into the circle, so now the straight field is open. It's good cricket.
Goes again, over long on, a huge hit for 6. The 50 comes up for Pakistan. What an entertainer this man is. 23 from this over. High, long, wide and handsome.
Ramiz, I have to tell you this, he's got 199 sixes in his international career, one-day career. 199 sixes. And that's 6 number 200. It's just staggering when you look at it. 6 number 200 for Shahid Afridi. The 6th of this innings is moved to 59 of 21 balls at a strike rate of 281.
This has got to be a 12. It's a monster hit. Shahid Afridi is not going to hit.
Safe enough and long enough. I can tell you it didn't come from the middle of the bat. That's 6 number 7 for Shahid Afridi.
Well, Sanjay, I know one thing. The middle of his bat is just about perfect. This was predictable, and I think he saw it coming. Shahid Afridi was in that position to play it over mid-wicket.
Shahid Afridi. There he goes for 6 number 8. And it lands on the Shamiana. It's another big one from Shahid Afridi. 4 more and he equals the world record for most sixes in an innings.
And he's not finished yet. I keep on suggesting it. That is far away from being finished. The ball doesn't want to come down because it has got a beating of its lifetime. Now, it was a pretty good delivery. I think he beat him in flight, and he was not to the pitch of the ball, but he's in such great form.
Another big one. But he's gone high up and safely over the advertising hoardings for 6 number 9.
This is unbelievable stuff. I've never seen anything like this. Unbelievable hitting. It's non-stop action from Afridi. Every time he's ventured out of the crease, he's got a big one. 9 sixes and 7 fours.